Welcome to this video on the Bulgarian Lev, exploring the history of this national currency, symbolized by the lion, from 1881 to its planned end in 2026. The name Lev means lion, a powerful symbol of courage and strength for the Bulgarian people. The image of the lion has been a prominent feature on the currency throughout its history. The history of the Lev is defined by 4 distinct chapters, each marked by significant economic shifts, including multiple redenominations. The first Lev, from 1881 to 1952, was based on the gold and silver standard and was initially pegged to the French franc. Times of war brought dramatic changes, including the move from precious metals like gold to iron in currency composition. Throughout its existence, Bulgaria's currency sought stability by pegging the Lev to various foreign currencies, adapting to changing global economic powers. The second Lev, from 1952 to 1962, marked the beginning of the communist era, with currency design featuring state emblems, the hammer and sickle, and the working class. The third Lev era, from 1962 to 1999, saw the fall of the communist bloc and an extreme rise in inflation, especially around 1989. To combat hyperinflation, a currency board was established, stabilizing the currency by fixing the rate at 1,000 Bulgarian Lev to 1 Deutsche Mark. The fourth Lev, in use from 1999 to 2025, represents the modern currency, featuring St. Ivan Rilski, and composed of a copper-nickel core and brass ring. Bulgarian banknotes, like the 100 Lev note featuring Aleko Konstantinov, showcase intricate art and security features, such as the rampant lion watermark. The stotinki is the fractional unit of the Lev, representing the 100th part of the main currency. These coins depict the Madara rider. In 2026, the euro is scheduled to arrive, replacing the Lev at the fixed rate of 1.95583 Bulgarian Levs to 1 euro. With this transition, the lion of Bulgarian currency rests. The Bulgarian Lev has a rich 140-year history. You can secure a piece of this legacy by acquiring a collection featuring coins from each chapter of its journey.